Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is May. For those of you who are returning viewers, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a super short one, and the only reason I'm actually doing it is because a couple of my friends here on YouTube requested that I do. Some of them follow me on my other social media platforms, which I do post on there frequently. Recently I posted my 5th year work anniversary gift, and they asked me to share or make a video on it, so here I am. Before we get into it, I did want to go ahead and explain that I'm wearing my glasses, and that is due to the discomfort of my contacts due to allergies. In order for me to avoid the ring light shining through my glasses, I will have to do the video at a different angle, so please bear with me. Alright guys, so this is a lovely package that I got for my 5th year work anniversary. This is exactly how it came packaged. Now it does have my name on the corner there, so I won't be taking the ribbon off camera. And I will not be disclosing the name of the company because, again, I'm not sure if they want me to go ahead and disclose that. But again, they are a great company to work for. They are very generous, and let's go ahead and unwrap this baby. Okay, so this is what the box looks like after you remove the purple ribbon and the white sleeve. And I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it does have that Rolex crown symbol on top. Alright, and then once you open it, you do get that beautiful green Rolex box. And let me go ahead and take that out of there. And here it is. Right, and then after that, here is the beautiful Rolex, and again, I got this for my 5th year work anniversary. This Rolex is a 36 millimeter with a Jubilee bracelet, and it does have the black backing and the Roman numerals. Now let me go ahead and take it out of there so you guys can take a closer look. Okay, I'm not sure if it's focusing, but this is what the watch looks like. The bracelet is, I think, one of my favorite parts. Kind of looks like it has no end, again, like a bracelet, and it does have the little crown here, the Rolex crown. Let me put that down. Now, it does come with all the authentication items here, and then back here is a little booklet with the authentication card. I will go ahead and share with you guys the insurance documentation that my work gave to me. I'm going to try to cover as much personal information as I can. Alright, and then it did come with this paperwork showing the retail value. Alright guys, well thanks so much for letting me share my gift with you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on my next video.